The hole command in Autodesk Inventor 2019 has been totally overhauled to make the creation and placement of holes faster, smarter, and more robust. The first thing you'll notice is the user interface has been streamlined to reduce picks, clicks, and mouse movements, making the creation of one hole or 10 holes faster than ever. You no longer must choose what type of hole you want to create. Inventor automatically changes placement type based on your interaction with the model. In-context editing and fast linear dimensioning make creating more than one hole easy without the need to create the sketch first. Inventor creates the underlying sketch for you automatically. And switching between the hole feature and the sketch is a simple click. This combines two previously separate processes into one streamlined workflow. The new hole feature allows users to create personalized presets to further automate the hole creation process and give you the freedom to choose how you want to organize and use presets. The new hole command in Autodesk Inventor 2019 helps streamline and speed your 3D modeling process.